So there's a language better than for any language ever made that's too good for this world, you said?
Well, it's like this, you see. Here's this girl, she explains C++ and why C++ always wins. And it has a crazy explanation, and the crazy explanation is that that language is actually fairly bad. It has enough quirks and complications in there, so then the programmers will automatically be attracted to the complications,
Oh,
and then they're kind of sucked in, and they always stick with that language.
wow.
And that has been working nowadays almost forever, right? There was the C language to start with, then the C++ stuff came along, and that was much more difficult all of a sudden, but everybody is like magic attracted to it or to similar languages that look like that, right? And the thing that keeps people hanging on to that is the complexity that makes it difficult and quirky and unreliable, right? For example, this language, only 10% of what the language can do can be used in aviation programming, right? There is a lot of stuff that people are not supposed to do because it's just so bad.
Wow.
And so instead, imagine if there was a language that was so good that it now would also be banned.
Oh, I know. That's the one that you use.
That is the crazy thing, right? There's actually one programming language that was used by 3 million people in the early days of computer programming, which was a lot in the early days.
Wow.
And so it was so good that our favorite software company in the world, who actually owned that language, then decided, no, that thing is too good, because every programmer that used that language, they only needed to use that one language. They didn't need to use anything else. They didn't need to buy special reporting tools or complexity tools or spreadsheets or word processing. They could do everything in that one language. And the other thing was, they also didn't need many other programmers. So one single programmer could actually write a complete business application single-handedly, very, very fast, right?
Can it still be used today if it's integrated with AI?
We come to that in a moment. It also didn't need the other cash cows, right? It did not need the cash cow of SQL Server, which was like a very important software, how Microsoft was trying to make a lot of money out of it. And so they didn't even need the latest version. Let's say I used version 6 for the longest time, and they had already advanced to version 7 and 8 and 9. I didn't need 7 and 8 and 9. I just kept programming in 6 for the longest time.
Wow.
And then basically Microsoft decided, we're going to put that whole language on the wayside. Nobody is supposed to use that thing anymore. We're going to call it obsolete. It still kept working fine. We're going to call it obsolete so that we can sell other people all the complexities of the modern age. And then we need more programmers. Nobody can program complete systems. It always has more dependency on large companies.
Wow.
And so it was just a crazy, crazy language. So this language...
Wait. We're going to get in trouble if we release what this language is.
We will never say what it is, you see.
Ever.
There has to be a special long-form video about that to release it very carefully.
Well, this is a long-form video already.
The public. This is not a long-form video.
We've already been talking for like 4.5 minutes.
Well, that's true. It's a short long-form video.
This is the teaser to the long-form video.
It's a short long-form video. Maybe we can edit it shorter.
But you already talked about it in another long-form video, or have you not made this video yet?
This video has not yet been made, but I mean, there will be a longer long-form video that explains exactly how this language was too good for this world, and then how Microsoft had to stop it. Microsoft had to stop it so that they could sell all their cash cows.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna get this video made.
There will be a big reveal.
Big reveal.